Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on TikTok. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different feeds. Now, if you wish to delete your account on TikTok, then in order to do so, you will first need to log in if you haven't done so already. So click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then use your credentials or your social media accounts to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the home page once again, from which if you wish to delete your account, tap on profile at the bottom right corner and you will end up on your profile page. From the profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right and then click on settings and privacy. Within the settings and privacy page, tap on account and you will see various different account options including deactivate or delete account. Tap on the last option and now you have various different options. You can either click on deactivate if you don't wish to permanently delete your account and just take a break for a while. All of your account information will be saved and you can reactivate your account at any time. If you click on the second option, you will only have a time period of 30 days to change your mind. So in order to proceed with deleting your account, tap on the second option which says delete account permanently. You might then be asked to enter your password or provide the verification code and your final confirmation. Once you provide these verifications, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will be logged out from your TikTok account as well. Now, even if you are logged out, you will still be able to scroll through the various news feeds and keep watching TikTok even if you don't have an account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.